One of the most common questions I receive as a doctor and a nutritionist is, do I need a protein supplement even if I'm not working out? And the answer to it is yes. Even if you're not working out, you need the protein supplement if you're not getting enough protein from your diet. And this is very common in Indians who are vegetarians, or if you just have a busy schedule, you're skipping meals and you know you're not eating right, you will really benefit from a protein supplement. And let me tell you why. So, protein is one of the most important macronutrients that you require in your body, and it is also the macronutrient that your body doesn't store. That means that you need to replenish the amount of protein that is being used. And protein has a lot of uses other than just building your biceps. You need protein to improve your hormone synthesis, neurotransmitter production, immune system, just replenishing your skin, nails, even improving your gut health and improving your gut barrier. Every requires protein, and protein is what consists of your building block. The building block of your body is made from amino acids, which essentially come from protein. So, who can benefit from protein supplement? If you are somebody who is not eating well, in terms of not getting enough protein from your diet, as a vegetarian, as somebody who is either chronically dieting, has any underlying metabolic health issues, for example, if you are pre diabetic, you have dyslipidemia, or you have hormonal health conditions like PCOS, or even if you're dealing with conditions like infertility, you can really benefit from protein supplementation. Plus, of course, if you're somebody who's looking to improve your body recomposition and just get into a body recomp, burn fat, improve your strength, you can really benefit from protein. So my take would be, do not be afraid if you're going for clean researched brands. That's very important. If you can get enough protein from your diet, nothing like it. But if you cannot, then do not be afraid for going for a protein supplement, because that is really going to benefit you. And that is the advice I give to all my patients and all my clients, and they are safe and they really see good results with their health. So go for it.